Sierra X-ray 320, continue for west departure.
Airbus 320 leading by airspace frequency change approved.
George Tower Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 frequency change. George approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 is type Airbus A320 and 5 miles west of George 1,600 feet. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 George approach. Squawk 0736.
Squawk 0736 Airbus 320.
Airbus 320 radar contact 6 miles west of George 2,000 feet. Cleared through the Charlie airspace.
Cleared through the Charlie airspace Airbus 320.